Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to use the game-changing live camera feature with Gemini Live. In 2026, this has turned your phone into a pair of AI eyes that can see and discuss the world with you in real time, so let's get right into the setup. First, you need to launch a Gemini Live session on your mobile device. Open the Gemini app, currently most powerful on Android, and tap the Gemini Live icon, which looks like a set of sound waves or a sparkle, at the bottom right of your input bar. Once the session starts and you hear the AI's voice, look for the camera icon at the bottom left of the live interface. Tapping this activates your feed, allowing Gemini to see exactly what you are looking at while you continue the conversation. Next, you can start filming and discussing your surroundings for instant help. You can point your camera at a leaking sink and ask, "Can you show me how to repair this?" Or show a corner of your living room and say, "Give me some decoration ideas for this space." In 2026, the AI is incredibly fast at identifying objects, plants, or even reading small text on physical documents in real time. You have full control during the stream, so you can flip between the front and rear cameras or stop sharing your video at any time by tapping the camera icon again. Then, you should explore the most practical use cases for this mode. It is perfect for troubleshooting broken electronics where you need step-by-step visual guidance, or for object identification when you are out in nature. If you are getting ready for an event, you can even show Gemini your outfit to get personalized style suggestions. Because the AI is processing the video feed live, you don't need to take a photo and wait for a reply, you can just keep talking as you move the camera around. Finally, keep in mind the current requirements and safety standards for March 2026. While this was originally a Gemini Advanced exclusive, it is now widely available.